Hello everyone, my name is Jarrett Tomasic and I did my project on the World Baseball Classic. The history of the event, baseball was removed as an Olympic sport in 2005, so the World Baseball Classic was founded in 2006. The first game in the World Baseball Classic saw South Korea defeat Chinese Taipei 2-0 in front of a crowd of 5,193 people on March 3rd, 2006. Japan then defeated Cuba 10-6 to be crowned the first champion of the World Baseball Classic. There used to be 16 teams, but there is now 20. The governing bodies of the World Baseball Classic. It was sanctioned by the International Baseball Federation, the IBF, from 2006 to 2013. After 2013, the World Baseball Softball Confederation, which is the WBSC, and Major League Baseball, they partnered. The WBSC is the international governing body for baseball and softball. It has 193 national federations and 14 associate members in 137 countries and territories. It encompasses over 65 million athletes and attracts approximately 150 million fans to the stadiums worldwide annually. The frequency and location of the event. The World Baseball Classic is to be repeated every 4 years, and this was decided after the 2009 event. The location, it's been played in 7 countries. It's been played in Japan 5 times, the US 5 times, Puerto Rico 3 times, Mexico 2 times, Taiwan 2 times, Canada 1 time, and South Korea 1 time. The size and scope of the event. In 2006, there were 737,112 fans over 39 games, which averaged to 18,900. In 2009, there was an increase from 2006. They saw 801,408 fans over 39 games, which averaged to 20,549. From 2009 to 2013, they did see a decrease in fans as it went to 781,438 fans over 39 games, and that averaged to 20,037 fans. But from 2013 to 2017, they have seen the largest increase ever of the World Baseball Classic, where it went to 973,599 fans over 40 games, and that was an average of 24,342. The profile of event participants and spectators. There's many different ethnicities due to many different countries being in the tournament. The fans are very passionate. There's a wide age range of fans, of kids to adults, and as everyone expected, you have to be pretty much a huge baseball fan to go to the World Baseball Classic. For the media coverage, the first 2 World Baseball Classic finals were shown on ESPN. The 2013 tournament was shown exclusively on MLB Network. The 2017 tournament was also shown exclusively on MLB Network. ESPN Deportes provides Spanish language coverage and ESPN Radio that has audio rights for the Classic. Sportsnet is the current broadcaster in Canada, while ESPN America covers the tournament for the United Kingdom, Ireland, and other parts of Europe. Sponsorship support, Gung Ho, which is a video game corporation, Nippon Express, which is Japan's largest logistics provider, Nomura Securities, they are a leading financial services group. Then you have Delta Airlines, Kia, LG, AT&T, and Comex. For licensing program, Fox Sports currently has the licensing program for the 2023 World Baseball Classic. The World Baseball Classic results and winners. Japan leads all time with 2 championships and 4 total placements in the top 4. The United States is second with 1 championship and 1 4th place finish to have 2 total placements in the top 4. And then the Dominican Republic is also tied with the United States with 1 championship and 1 4th place finish to have 2 total placements in the top 4. Eligibility and participation. For the player to be eligible, they have to be a citizen of the nation that the team represents. They could also be a permanent legal resident of the nation or territory the team represents. They could also be where the player was born in the nation or territory that the team represents, or the player has a parent who is, or if deceased was, a citizen of the nation the team represents. And here are my references.